Hi, welcome to a tutorial of OpenLM. Now we'll be talking about agent procedures. So agent procedures allows you to interact with the process running on the end user workstation. You can kill it, suspend it, or run a script on it. So the OpenLM agent needs to be installed on the workstations. Each workstation will have one agent. And OpenLM server, also OpenLM core, will be installed on a central network server. Then if you want to view or edit, then you can just use any device using the browser. So let's see how we can configure a new agent procedure. So let's go to the user interface and click Start. Then we'll click Administration and click on Agent Procedures. Now I already have a few procedures here, but we can add one. Let's add one and call it Agent Kill Process. It's enabled. We'll click Add Action. Now there are a few actions right here. Agent Kill. The OpenLM agent will kill the process, outright kill it. The agent Suspend suspends the process. It freezes the process. Agent Script allows you to add custom scripts to run on the workstation. These are CMD script, custom command script. And we have License Manager, which if you are connected to a broker, which is connected to a license manager, then you can simply release the license, but do nothing on the end user workstation. Just release the license in the background. So we want Agent Kill. Let's select Agent Kill. And okay, that's it. You can do the same for Suspend, for the script, for the license manager, doesn't matter. Now, how do we use them, the agent procedures? There are a few places, but let's take a look at process features, for example. In process features, let's say that we open this one up. Now we can choose a procedure. Simply choose a procedure from here, and then choose one of the procedures from the list, Agent Kill Process. Now this has to do with the active agent, so I would say go and watch the active agent in order to understand more. So this is one. This is the process features. These are features which have a license manager. They are floating licenses. Now let's take a look at the unmanaged processes. The unmanaged processes are processes, applications, which are not managed by a license manager. They can be custom applications, they can be standalone applications, doesn't matter. In any case, when I open up the process, I'm also here able to choose procedure. And then I can choose whatever I want. So the agent kill, suspend, custom script, whatever. And then I save it, and that's it. So this is it for the agent procedures. Pretty simple. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.